success state of mind.
Ndio bwana.
Kini kwa saa battery iko repeat.
Ngoja. Asijaanza na hizi manini venye tuna nini?
Si ni hiyo style ya koko kwanza.
Niko na ufala. Sasa ndio nimeshikanisha.
Okay.
Niko na ufala, ni sasa nimekumbuka. Twende. Yeah. Rock on little Chris Kenya. Wall of Jericho Sounds. We're gonna turn up like this, y'all. Yeah. Little Chris.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
DJ Breakout, that's good shit, yeah. DJ Blackout, that's good shit, yeah. DJ Riley, that's good shit, yeah. Yeah. Money on my mind, I've been chasing all day. Kanjo on the rear, I've been ducking all day. 10, 20 equals 40, my nigga. Money is the motive, family is the reason. I do this for my mama and my daddy and my bros. Started as a hustler, now I'm getting little money. Started wearing Nikes, now I'm rocking big labels. YMCMB, MMG and all these snapbacks. Success state of mind, I left these haters J. Coling. Who that? Who got the flow? Who that? Who got the flow? Back on my greasy, I've been hustling all day. Full-time hustler, I've been grinding all day. I just stand to go through the struggle and success. Rapping all day, rehearsal on the way home. Shooting for the moon, never aiming for the sky. Look, Chris, DJ Breakout, that's good shit, yeah. DJ Blackout, that's good shit, yeah. DJ Riley, that's good shit, yeah. Yeah.